Hey guys, it's Savage Slime, and I'm here with my best friend Leela Madison, and today we're going to be doing the ABC Gymnastics Challenge. And so I know that's not slime or squishy, but we're just going to be doing it anyway. So if you don't know what that is, it's just when we do gymnastics of the alphabet. So let's just start.
Okay, I'm doing A for Ariel, and I'm Leela.
I'm doing B for back handspring. Oh yeah, I'll keep these off.
I'm doing C for cartwheel, and I'm Madison. D? Okay. And I'm doing D for dive roll.
Okay. E for egg.
F, G, F.
Okay.
F for front punch. Okay. Gainer for G. That was good, Leela.
H for handstand.
I for illusion. Then I for illusion. I failed.
Now
Okay,
J.
what's after I? J.
J.
Oh, jump. Jump for J.
J
J
for
what?
Go with Kate.
You could do cartwheel spelled wrong. K for cartwheel spelled wrong. Wait, A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. L. L? Oh, that's my favorite letter. L for limber. Yeah. L for front. Front walkover. This is a front limber.
I know I messed up.
Front limber. I know I
Now
messed
M,
up.
which is my favorite letter.
What? So in.
Oh,
You got the good one.
no. What is it?
Mountain
Madison?
climber.
A mountain roll.
Mountain climber.
Okay.
That's position.
N for Ooh. What would that be?
No hand cartwheel.
Oh, that's an arrow. I can't do an arrow on this.
No handed front.
Oh, I did it.
You did it.
I failed.
And then wait, what's after in?
Oh.
Oh.
On Q. Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. O for oddball.
Octopus.
That's not it.
Oh my gosh.
O for odd. Oh, I'm P. What do I do for P?
P for
Pop.
pop.
Oh, P jump. Is that a thing?
No,
a punch.
Punch
front.
Pop socket.
Oh yeah.
Head front.
Oh, that's
Wait, what's after P? Q?
Q.
What would Q be?
Quad jump.
Quad jump. Oh, is this a quad jump?
Four. It's four. So
Quad jump. Okay.
quad jump. It's not a thing, but whatever.
Ah!
What's after Q? R.
R.
Roll like roll.
Roll, like a forward roll.
Roll. No, okay. What's after R? S?
Yeah.
Side.
Side hands. No.
Side.
Side cartwheel.
Side handstand. Cartwheel's already sideways. Side hand.
What would T be?
T.
Taco.
Taco.
What would it be?
Taco jump. That's another thing. Oh, you could go like taco jump. Because it's like a shape of a taco.
Taco jump.
That's more like a pipe jump.
What's after T?
You.
You.
Umbrella.
No. I know you. Underhand swing or underhand cartwheel. Undercut.
Undercut back
cartwheel.
handspring. Undercut back handspring.
Isn't that a handstand back handspring?
No, undercut back handspring is a really short back handspring.
Okay, well, are undercuts or handstands back handspring?
No,
That's what we call the undercut back handspring.
yeah, but undercut back handspring. No, undercut back handspring is where you just do a really short back handspring.
Okay.
And
Undercut
then-
back handspring.
Okay, what's after you?
B.
D. Oh, I know what I can do. D up.
That's conditioning. What was W?
What? G.
Z.
It's like
V?
T? No!
It's W.
Yeah, okay. W.
What would it be?
W jump. No,
Workout.
not-
No, workout.
I can't. We're really bad at workouts.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
W,
X. That's hard. X jump.
No. I'm Z after that.
Exila.
That's a really weird cartwheel that we call an egg.
That's a boy cartwheel. Okay, Y, I do Y jump. So. Why jump? I don't know if it's really a thing, but why jump? It's like saluting in the air.
I'm Z. What would Zilla?
Zilla.
What would B be?
Zillionaire. You have 0 money.
What would B be?
Oh, I had 0 money in the game of life.
Okay, so now we're just going to be doing like any type of gymnastics, like free gymnastics.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go first.
And then I go second. For F, I could have done a full.
I'm just gonna do back handspring.
I don't think you.
Oh, I'm gonna try a back tuck. I've been trying to do this, so.
I'm gonna do a gainer.
What? No. I failed.
I'm
That was
doing.
terrible.
I'm doing like as many back tucks as I can. Why is my sock gonna be? 1 second.
Oh,
Okay,
after this video, we're gonna do how many back handspring can we do?
I'm gonna guess how many back tucks I can do. Just like. Gainer.
In a row. 2, 3, 4, 5,
Wait, one more. I'm gonna go to 8.
6,
This is not my real back tuck.
7.
No. I'm just gonna go to 10. Okay. I thought you said you were gonna go to 7. 8. 57. Okay.
This is a part 1 video. Over the left. 1, 2,
And you can do how many back hands
3,
you can do.
4. Our next video is gonna be how many back tucks and handspring.
We're only gonna do 8. We only go to 8. 5.
I'll try to do 8 back handspring. Except I like just got my back handspring.
We're only going to 8, Madison, okay? I know, that's it. Okay.
7, 8. Okay.
Okay, our back handsprings are not really like that. Okay, now
Okay.
you try to do how many back tucks.
Wait,
How many
we're
back
recording?
handstrings?
Watch out.
Yeah.
Oh.
How many back handstrings do you have?
Okay.
1.
Oh god.
You can go to 5 if you want.
Okay.
3. 4.
Oh gosh.
Okay, one more.
It makes me dizzy.
Okay, let's do how many front tucks I can do. How many front
Oh
tucks?
yeah, front tucks I'll be good at.
Can I do how many front tuck back tucks I can do? No.
Lila, were you recording yourself the whole time?
No. Wait, was I?
I think you were.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't. Okay, I'm just gonna do random stuff. Wait, I'm gonna do again. Okay. Wait, that wasn't my gainer. I need to do another gainer.
So this is part 1, but we're not really over yet.
You guys give me that? One more gainer.
If you want to go follow Madison, then
Maddie Flippin 25.
This is her YouTube channel.
For us to all have equal turns, so we do 4 and a half.
I'm gonna do front tucks. Let me see how many front tucks I can do.
I can only do 1. Well, 1.
I'm failed.
I mean, I can do 1. 2. 3.
Ugh. Ouch!
Me, I think you saw your reflection and you thought you were recording yourself.
Ow.
Because I'm not I'm recording you. 4. Just go to 5.
Hiya!
Ah, yeah. One more.
Oh god! I'm not doing anymore. Oh, I'm like falling.
I want to do that.
4 in the morning, the rain is pouring.
It's called the rolling crocodile. What? That's such a funny name. Wait, I did it last time. Remember, Mia? The rolling crocodile. I did the back tuck.
Wait,
one more try.
think I look really bad without glasses.
One more try. Back tuck.
Okay.
Roll thing. I'm gonna try.
Okay, can you go with me?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna try.
That's
back called the gram.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
The gram. The gram. Why?
Whoa!
That was a fail.
Remember I did it? I can do it.
You can't open up your arms. That's why. Okay, Mike, you just did
It was like a step out.
Wait, I'm gonna try, and then we can end the video.
Stop.
Stop. I'm not doing it. Wait, I
Never. Okay, that is the end of the video. And it's part 1. So keep slapping and squishing. And I'll see you in like
next time it will be on the beam.
no, not the beam. The back. second, or this.